Hi, I'm Chef Nino, and today we're going to cook the perfect hard-boiled egg. No green, just yellow on the inside, and it's going to be very easy to peel. I don't like green eggs in ham, especially green eggs. We are going to start off with a pot and eggs. Oh man, I only have 3 more left. No worries, it's just enough for this little presentation. Alright, so we put them in the pot, and then we're going to be using cold water. We have to make sure it's cold water. Okay, so you want to make sure the water covers the eggs. Like that. Okay. And now we're going to take it and we're going to wait until it boils. Once it starts to boil, that's when we start counting the 5 minutes. So you can look at your clock or watch, or you can synchronize a timer. Timers are great, and synchronize it for 5 minutes. But wait, we're gonna wait till it starts to boil. Okay, so it started to boil. So now we're just gonna let it boil for 5 whole minutes. All right, so synchronize your timer, synchronize your watch, or just keep an eye on the clock for 5 minutes. If it starts boiling too much, don't worry, just turn it down. But just make sure the eggs are still boiling in water, okay? 5 minutes is up. Turn it off. Remove it from the stove. Be careful, very hot. And we're just gonna set it here for 15 minutes now, okay? If you have kids, keep it from their reach. Safety first. 15 minutes, we're gonna let it sit there. So once again, synchronize your watch and timer, or look at the clock for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up. And we're gonna take it here, add a little bit of cold water to make it warm. Nice and warm. Okay, now crack it on all sides and watch the shell come off the egg. Because of the water going in between the shell and the cooked egg itself. It makes it a lot easier to peel this egg. As you can see, I can do it with just one hand. Alright, see? Okay. Do the same here. Sometimes there's a little skin here. You see that skin? If you remove that, it makes the egg peel faster. Okay, one more. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay. Yellow. And no green eggs in ham. The perfect hard-boiled egg. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and goodbye.